All right, Honors 11, this is it. So it's for Thursday the 14th, the very, very end. So I thought this would be a good time for a little reflection and feedback. So if you could respond to these following prompts in just a couple of sentences is more than enough. Okay, but please explain how or why. So what skill that you learned this year in my class, kind of clicked with you? Okay, like, I totally get that now. I know how to do this. I'm not worried about that. As opposed to maybe what skill still needs work. Okay, for you personally, do you work on thesis statements, using quotes correctly, etc. Okay, if you could give me a little feedback on, what was your favorite unit and why. We did Exile unit, Beowulf, Macbeth, Canterbury Tales, King Arthur, obviously Pride and Prejudice, theory, and important to being earnest and or Dubliners. Unfortunately, we didn't get to do those last two together. But give me a little feedback on that, please. And then maybe what's your least favorite unit and why. Okay. And then lastly, just tell me briefly, what class are you looking forward to next year? Okay. Hopefully I see y'all in the hallways. And I guess we'll deal with what they throw at us when they throw it at us. Okay. So I had a lot of fun this year. Hope you guys did too. I miss all you guys, and like I said, I wish we could have ended on a kind of cool note, but we got to do what we got to do. So again, I appreciate everything, and I'll see you next year. Later.